Oh.
Good shot, good shot. That's a good shot.
Tira lang ng tira pag maluwag. Ha?
Oh! Swing, swing, swing. Swing. Oh. Right, you gotta look at your wing.
Come on.
Go after your rebound, Alex. Don't step back. Don't look at your shot. Hey, come on! Look alive! Waylon, come on, let's look alive.
Swing. There. Oh.
Energy, man. Kahapon yung isa, ito naman.
Oo nga.
Right there.
Shoot! There you go. Over.
Let's go.
Every time.
Yeah! Pull up your shorts, man. Pull up your shorts.
Mama.
What happened to this?
Karte. Ayan na. Look. Shoot it. Over. Rebound. Ang bagal, oh.
Yeah!
Get it. Help. Wala. Huwag dyan. Nice. Oh, foul. Nice. Good shot. Wala sa ano kasi ano. Oh.
Somebody open the window on that one.
Relax. Pop. Run! Nice. Oh. What a foul. Alright. Nice move. What?
Patay na.
Oh, he's retired with his home.
Ha?
He goes sleep.
Yeah.
He can sleep in. Right there, wear him out, boys. Wear him out.
Grab it, grab it, grab it!
Take your time, Will. Take your time. Oh.
Be ready, Darren. No. Oh.
Wow, damn.
Hey, you need to grab it.
Oh, off his...
Oh.
I thought it was off his...
Hey.
Hey! Oh, yeah.
Off his head, off his
That's,
head.
Hey. Don't look for the call. Play. Get in there, Alex.
Robin.
Yeah, that one. Good move. Good move, Raheem.
Shoot it.
Get in there, Alex.
Ah.
Good move. 1-0 every time.
Shoot it. Shoot it. One dribble.
Yeah. Give me one over here.
Yeah.
Not like back by the bench.
Got the curve in.
Right?
Push.
Maybe it's me.
We'll see. We'll see the rotation. Yeah, they call. Yeah.
And then nothing happened. So,
Hey,
Keep
let's
shooting.
go. Energy, price.
Energy.
Let's go.
right through it. Go. Okay.
Pag lumayo. Sa. Sabay. Ah. Nice. There you go. Ah. Up.
Yes.
Eh. Short. Nice. Nice.
Hey. Grab the ball, grab
Good,
the ball.
good. Skarte.
Right.
Help. Foul. Two shot. Relax.
Right. Right. Low. And low.
Ah. Go back. Swing. Nice.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hold the ball, hold
Get
the
it,
ball.
get it,
hold the
get it,
ball.
get it, get it. Ano? Ayun, ay. Oh, tangan niya. Good. There you go. Short. Tira lang, tira. Diskarte. May foul yan, may foul. Screen. Rebound.
Go back in there, Alex. You gotta go get back in there. Stop looking at the ball.
Nice. Oh. Get the ball. Go, Bryce. Hit it! Galaw, galaw! Move! Taas kamay, taas kamay! Swing! Swing! Ah. Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. Hirap pa na humabol. Mag-combo sila nito. Yeah, I think maybe the fourth quarter, maybe the please. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Lalakad-lakad lang. Oh? Hindi pwede yung ganyan.
Or like, most short.
Hindi. Pagod siya, oh. Kaya mo, kaya tumakbo. Travel. Parang wala siya, nawaubos yung energy niya.
Let's go, Mace. Come on.
Parang wala na yun.
Oh.
That's it, Mace. Good take.
Diba? Wala siyang energy. Maksab wala.
Help! Help!
Come on, Mace. Mason, that's you.
Swing the ball! Go, 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 go! Shoot it! Pero oh, wala siyang
You guys gotta move. Hey, ball!
Help! Run! Nice.
Oh my goodness. Don't push. You just had him. Switch.
Oh! That's on the right hand. Hampas. Nine seconds. Tira.
Raven, you got 9 seconds.
Tira.
Five.
Ikaw na yun.
Walang kwenta talaga yung isang kung hindi
Ha?
Anong isip nito?
Oo nga.
Walang sa isip. Pwede naman sa kanina.
Wala siya sa ano. Nawawala yung ano niya. Focus mo. Kung ano yung nilayo niya dito eh. 9 seconds pa yun eh. Siya na yung last shot dun eh. Ha? Kesa doon doon. Hindi man lang tumama.
Yung isa di tinatanggal eh. Dapat hindi natanggal yung
Hold the ball and then pag walang pumunta, banat.
Rylan, you gotta close out faster.
Push. Screen. Oh?
Alex, you need crash. Crash the board.
Yeah. Oh, rubber. Oh. Banat. Screen. Shoot. Nice.
Go up, Alex.
Attaboy, big man. Good rebound.
Saksak. Hey.
No.
Hah? Apa? Ano foul yun? Ah.
Right. Use the backboard every time when you're on the side. This is much like
Yeah.
this shot.
Sobra yan eh. No? Diskarte na, kung hindi kayo miss-score, oh. Kaya mo yan.
Go, over there.
Yeah, go.
Pressure.
Oh. Sayang.
Long.
Takbo. Oh. Screen.
White ball.
We tried. Yeah.
Yan. There. Oh.
Hey, keep playing. What's going on?
Foul?
A foul? What was the call?
No. They only stop in the...
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Get it!
Yeah, run.
All the way.
Yeah, it's funny.
They only stop in the game, ah. What the hell?
Did he blow the whistle, or they just stopped? At least he reset it, though.
Diskarte.
There you go. Boom on you.
There.
Go.
Run.
Oh, what are you stopping?
Huh?
I think they get confused with the whistle. Don't know if it's Steve or what.
Oh. Diskarte. Kaya mo yan. Kunin mo ulit.
Foul. Yeah.
Kanina ng pito doon eh.
Go to the thing side.
Ooh.
Antayin. Hirapan to.
Hindi pa siya masisayas ng handle.
Oh?
Hindi pa naman siya masisayas ng handle. Good. Oh.
Rebound the ball.
Yeah. Nice. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Nice.
Oh, but he's grabbing his arm.
Shoot.
Nice.
Short.
Alex.
Ah. One more, one more.
Oh my god. Go up, Alex.
Ah.
There you go.
All day. Do that.
Dude, he gets jacked up in his face. Yeah, they got his ball, but they also got his face.
Let's make it count, Alex. Let's go.
Relax. Yeah. Follow shot.
Come on, FTC, let's go.
Ulit yun. Gano'n ulit. Box out. Oh, one more. Whoa! Get got a foul. Yeah, a good game, huh?
Hey, rebound.
Pag ano, sigurado yung hagis mo yung bola. Ano mo? Ano mo? Ano mo?
Get out of that corner. Know where you're at. Ooh, that's a football.
Yeah, yeah. Ah.
Get that ball.
Ah.
Stop playing defense.
Oh, you got to give me that. Take it. Yeah.
Nice. Twenty seconds, Carlos. Yeah. Sa'yo na yan, sa'yo na yan. Corner. Ah. 7.
One more.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Ah. 10 more minutes.
Nobody else.
Pasok na naman.
You're going to That's the
That's the energy.
yes.
Right?
I tell them, you boys won't understand my mom though. They can tell them.
Ten more minutes. Be aggressive. Kunin mo lagi yung ano, ikaw mag-set.
Put it down, he said. Put it down.
He's got a point.
Tell him to pay attention to the game more. Stop talking
Oh, oh.
Come on.
Nice. Pero, get the ball, get the ball. Tumatawag ng foul. Tumatawag ng foul. Hingi kay screen. Ayan na. Oh, ayun o. Ang lumag oh. Tawagin mo yung pangalan. Focus, focus.
Let's go, Lee. Come on.
Get. Oh. Oh. Time out. Likod mo, likod mo. Run, run, run. Tumatawag ng foul. Screen. Ayun oh, ayun. Sure it. And one.
I love it.
Charlotte. FBC floating.
Relax.
box it up.
Saksak lang, saksak. Yung matawag ng foul. Yeah, go, 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 go. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Maliit. Ah. Pasok, pasok.
Yeah.
Ayan. Konti na lang. Oh, trouble.
Oh, man.
Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Diskarte. Sabay, sabay. Taas kamay. Ah,
Shoot it.
Come on.
there you go.
Hello.
Nice.
Hit
Shoot
it.
it.
Hey, you're too close.
Yan. There you go.
Go, Jaden!
Foul. Ayan!
I love him because he only has one speed. It's like 100%.
Go!
He goes 100%.
Good for the shot.
It's like, rest.
Yeah. Let's escalate your
What?
emotions.
I like when it's cute, 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 cute.
Tell Alex, you better start fighting.
Alex, better start playing and get on the TV. What the
Ah!
All the way. All the way.
Ewan. Oh, wala po.
Time! Rylan! Ooh. Cup check, cup check.
Alright, be aggressive. Go 5
Rylan,
minutes.
let's go. Be aggressive, Rylan. Let's go.
5 minutes more. Get it, get. Ulit. Screen. Screen. Maba. White. Be ready. Oh. Protect the ball. Travel. Kaya mo yan.
Middle, middle. Alex.
Kaya mo yan.
Come on, Jaden. Come on,
Taas.
Jaden.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and that's amazing. That's amazing. He was like, standing in like,
Help, help.
Ooh. That's a football player.
it's a spin move.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Nice.
down, slow down.
I'm behind you.
Nice!
Yeah.
That was nasty.
That's pretty good.
Okay, Jaden. Timeout or not a timeout?
Don't jinx it.
Yes, nakalak na lang yan.
Ha?
Gamitin na natin oras. 2 minutes na lang. Hindi naman napapatay niya. Ang laki ng ano. Ayan, dito isa, nag-iba istorya niyan. Ha?
Wala na naman siyang damit. Wala na naman siya.
Use the clock! Oh. Oh, sinira pa.
Use the clock!
One minute. Ano mo? Ano mo?
Nice.
That's it? Yeah! Yeah! Ay. Ay. We are the champion.